I made over 3 million naira in the month of June.
She made over 3 million naira in 1 month with just her mobile phone. Girl, you are next because I'm bringing you the tea on the exact passive income she did to earn that much. 3,575,000 naira to be exact. There are 7 different sources of income. At least one of them would work for you. So watch to the end to see the exact one you like. Welcome to the Financial Women channel. I am Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered stockbroker, a chartered accountant. On this channel, we are all about securing the bag, side hustle idea, investing, passive income. Since if that's the kind of content you like, hit the subscribe button right away because you see this morning we are making it together. So how did this babe make over 3 million naira with her mobile phone in 1 month? Immediately I saw the video, I'm like, financial women have to hear this. You know, many of them are side hustles, passive income stream I also have and earn directly from. And on this video, I'm going to share all of them with you, exactly how you can start each one and make money from it. I am bringing all the gist to you free of charge. Just one free thing I want you to do for me. Could you please like this video, okay? So it tells YouTube that you're doing the Lord's work on this channel. Let's grow our channel together. Thank you so much, sis. Let's get right into the video on the 7 passive income you can start to make up to 3 million naira in 1 month. Number 1 side hustle she did is content creation. She made 400,000 naira from this particular one. How? Have you heard of UGC? User generated content. Let me explain to you how UGC works. You know how business owners, they have product to sell, but for some people to buy this product, they want to see it in use. They want to see how it works. So what these businesses do is they send their product to content creators. These people get this product, make content with it, make video with it, of them using it, if maybe clothes, of them wearing the clothes. You probably see a lot of these things online. And I get products like this too. Let me show you. So this one is t-shirt, a set of t-shirts from someone on Instagram. And this one is a bust of, you know, all these fancy designs. Hello. So they send them across. She even customized it with my name, Jenny. They send it across. All I have to do is to make content, you see, is to make content with these things and post. Now, when people see this, they're like, oh, really, this is really nice, okay? So how can you start this UGC content creation as a side hustle and make money from it? Number 1, listen, you need to know how to create beautiful videos. Yes, go and learn. You can learn a lot of editing skills on the YouTube free of charge. So you create fun videos with your clean phone. I don't know the phone you use, but just make sure you wipe your camera very well. That's how they tell us we get clean videos. So that's one. Now you know how to make fine videos, right? Create videos for brands you patronize. Now you buy something, maybe you buy a wig to wear. Go ahead, create video with it. Very fine video. Post it. Tag that brand. In fact, some of them will be so happy to repost because it's free content. Wait, you are still starting, right? It's free content. They can repost. If it's not a big brand, almost you don't blow with that because a lot of other people are going to see you. So start doing this with brands you already patronize. Now, as you build your portfolio, you create a couple of videos, yeah? You can even pitch these brands and tell them like, see, you can actually create more videos for them. They will pay you. Oh, look at other brands, reach out to other brands, send a sample of the videos you already created with the items you bought. Tell them, see this video, this is the kind of thing you can create for them. Because you are still starting, you have to be the one to reach out. Although if you do more of it over time, and if you post over time, people will begin to, you know, you create nice videos. Can you create videos for my brand? That's how you start. But when you are starting, you might be the one to reach out to them. You know, target fashion brands, makeup, electronics, you know, a lot of these companies, even food, of you know, cooking with the items or something like that. So a lot of brands are happy to jump on board for you. See, business don't start with that. So decide how much you want to be charging per video. You can decide that, okay, each video you create is 50,000, 100,000 because you're starting out. Have a rate card, share them. If I create 1 video, it's 50K. If I create 3 videos, it's 120,000. You know, have a pricing this thing that will make them to ask you to create more videos for them. And that's how it starts. You know, another perk here, you get free items. Because they have to send you their product for you to create video. Once you create the product, it's already your own now. You don't have to return it. Okay, unless maybe some luxury brand, they can ask you to do the content and send it back. Okay, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you going to wipe up your camera, set your tripod and start creating content because your own money is waiting for you? She made 400K from this alone last month. Number 2 side hustle she did to make that much is influencing. So she made 500K from influencing last month. Since the influencer marketing industry is worth $21.2 billion. Are you going to take a piece of that cake? As at the time of this video, she had less than 20,000 followers and she made that much. Let me discuss this from my own perspective because influencing is one of my major source of income. Let me be transparent. Do you know that a couple of influencing jobs I do can cover 1 year of my salary as an investment banker. That is how much money there is to make in this industry. So last month, I made a couple of influencing ads for some brands. I did for a bank, I did for a top telecom, I did for a trading platform, and the income from this is in 7 figures. Okay, trust me, influencing can change your life. How do you start influencing? If it's something you want to do, number one, pick a niche. So what do you want to create content about? I think it usually helps when you are known for a particular thing. Do you want to become a fashion girlist, teaching us how to dress, how to rock our clothes in different style? Or do you want to talk about motherhood, how to take care of your children, how to prepare food for your children? Or do you want to go into the cooking area? Different niches you can pick. There's so many niches you can make money from. Just see the one that works for you. Relationship, cooking, religion, yes, finance, business. You know my own already. I'm about finance. If you're about investing, finance, fintech, financial Jennifer day for you, okay? So that is one. Now you have your own niche. Second, what platform do you want to use, okay? Because it always helps to focus on one. It helps you to build it faster. You can decide to do 2 platforms at once, post here, because you can repurpose content. But I think you should have a major platform. It helps you focus. Like for me now, I use Instagram a lot, and then I also use Facebook. But now we are building on YouTube and our community is blowing up. So I would suggest, if you're a video kind of person, start with YouTube and TikTok. In fact, I think these are the 2 top platforms that make a lot of money. Instagram is also great, but Facebook is not bad, but Facebook influencers don't make that much compared to other influencers on other platforms, unless now that Facebook itself is beginning to pay people based on the content they create, okay? But I engage a lot of influencers for our community, FinTribe. By the way, FinTribe is a community of money-minded women. We save and invest together. If you're a woman looking to save consistently, in the description button, I'm going to leave our link. Join us. It's totally free to join, okay? So yeah, I engage a lot of influencers for maybe for classes, for promotion on different things. So I know how much they charge. Instagram influencers charge way more than Facebook influencers. Let me not even lie. The money you pay one Instagram influencer, you can use it and pay 5 Facebook influencers, and you get results. So I'm just talking to you as 6 to 6. You might want to just leave Facebook for now and focus on the other ones, because they're going to pay you way more. Now, the third thing, if you're looking to build and become an influencer, create a community, okay? There is one thing from just posting content. You might get followers, but there's another thing about having a community. People feel like we are part of this big thing, just like our financial Jennifer community, our FinTribe community, our women, because they know that we are on the same journey, okay? There's a reason you're watching this video if you're a part of this channel, because you already know that all of us are on this journey to secure the bag. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, because on this channel we cheer each other. We are one another's cheerleader. Subscribe to the button. You're welcome to the family. So yeah, try to be intentional about not just gathering followers, but building a community. Share your personal stories. Involve us in your life. Ask us questions, okay? Let us know that you are also interested in us. And when we comment on your platform, reply us, engage us. That's how you build a community. And trust me, it's going to help you a lot on your influencing journey. And then again, to even help you grow faster, because I won't even lie, building an audience is not very easy. Number one, you have to be making posts that are shareable. Ask yourself, will people want to share this content I'm making, okay? That is what. You can also even help yourself to grow faster by promoting these posts. You can do Facebook ads, you can do sponsored ads, you can even get an influencer to repost for you. If you have some money, that is one fast way to grow. If not, no problem. Organic growth, create content people are looking for, create content people want to share, use relevant hashtag, and engage on big platforms. And that is how you build your audience on your way to becoming an influencer. And you don't have to wait till you get to maybe 100,000 followers to start earning. No, there are nano influencers, there are influencers that are less than 10k followers, more than 10k, 20k, each have their rate card, okay? So you decide with the level you are at. So even as you are starting, you can start earning money before you even blow up like that. Number 3 side hustle she used to generate this much is online class on importation. She made 2 million naira from this. So she is an importation expert, and she held a class, and I think she had about 100 people join the class, paying her 20k each. What knowledge do you have? Can you teach us? Can you organize an online class? Let me tell you my own story. The first class I ever had, then I don't even have this much followers. I don't even have much audience then. It was even on Facebook, and it's not on finance, funny enough. It was on social media. I think how to use social media, because back then I was very active on Facebook, and I realized that Facebook people, they don't really like Instagram. They don't know how to use Instagram that much. And me, I was active on Instagram, though I haven't grown so much. So what I do, I started teaching. So I would always make posts on Facebook Facebook on how to use your Instagram, and I was making it free of charge. Like, I was just genuinely trying to help people learn how to use Instagram. But over time, I realized that, oh, a lot of people are actually interested in this. They're sending you DMs, there's so much you can reply. And I was like, okay, let's have a class. And I charged like 2,000 naira for that class. I had for something people, and we even like, as at that point, I think that was the first time I ever had up to 100K once in my account. So online classes changed my life. So to you now, what do you know? Can you host a class on it? Okay, but it would help if you start creating content first on that, because now people begin to see you as an expert in that field. And trust me, don't worry, people are happy to pay for knowledge. Can you see the knowledge industry is blowing up? Even our celebrities, our influencers, everybody is hosting a class now, and it's paying them massively. Because how much do you need to run an online class? You have your subscription, you have your you're streaming on Zoom or something. At the end of the day, you don't even spend up to $50 or something, but you know how much you're going to make from it. So please, if you know something, teach us, charge us. We are happy to pay you. But like I said, you might want to do some background work by force trying to teach, because you can't just come from nowhere. We don't know you, we don't even know you know this thing. Okay, just give yourself time, like a couple of months, to teach us, and then bam, hit on us, tell us you have having an online class. And if you have done enough, if we have learned from you, we are happy to pay you. Sometimes I have classes and we have over 3,000 people join the class. Yes, because they know that I can deliver on that. Number 4 side hustle she did to earn more than 3 million in a month was one-on-one classes. Okay, this is similar to the last point because it's still on China importation. According to her, she had 2 people pay her 100,000 naira each, so she earned 200,000 naira from these one-on-one sections. The truth is that group class is not for everybody. Okay, some will attend, but you know, they're not really following, or they just want you to hold their hand, go and teach them. So yeah, you can even also do this while you're having in your online class. You can also have a product for one-on-one section. I used to do it a lot back in the days, but Jesus, the request became so much I couldn't keep up. I mean, ran away. But trust me, there is a market for it, because a lot of people, they want that, you know, personal experience. They want to work with you closer. You guide them, you give them direct information. You can even help them sort some things. So in her own case, she had 2 people paying for that product, and she charged 100K. Here you see 100,000, but the group one was 20K. So one-on-one has to come at a higher price because it even takes more from you. Number 5 side hustle she did to make money was hair vendor list. I think she made like 250,000 from this. According to her, she has a list of, you know, credible hair vendors she sells. I think she sells it like 25,000 naira each. Okay, so what list can you sell? You see this all the time on social media. People selling different lists. Maybe they travel, come back, they have fashion, people that sell clothes, this, that. What can you sell? In my previous video, I've discussed this influencer marketing list. Influencer's diary. Yeah, that's what I call it. I discussed how you can have an influencer diary that you sell, because business owners are always looking for this. I always see posts of people asking about what influencer have you used that brought results for you, and you know, you can come in here, get a list of influencers, do your research, find influencers, the big ones, the small ones, compile it. People are willing to pay for it. I think I already know people selling this list. It doesn't matter how many influencers, get as much as you can. I'm going to link that video. Is it here or here? I don't know. I'm going to link the video. I'm also going, in fact, I'm going to leave the link on the description. Go there, watch that video. In fact, that video is different passive income ideas. Yeah. After this video, just go there and watch. In case if maybe from here you still want to find some other ideas before you decide, make sure you watch that video. I gave examples of side hustles you can start, how you can start it, how you can make money from it. So once you leave here, go there and watch it. And something else, have you heard? We are going to China in September. Yeah, we are traveling to China in September, and you know China is where everything happens. Me on that trip, my plan is to get contacts. If you are selling contacts, no problem. Feel free to join us on the trip. You can send an email to contact@thefintribe.com. We have a travel group, and we're already planning for the China trip. So yeah, when people go for trips like this, you have to make your money back. They source for manufacturers, companies, factories. They get their contacts, they compile all these things and sell. It's a side hustle. And see now, her own is only hair vendors, and she made 250,000 naira from it. And the 6th side hustle she did, which she made 250,000 naira from, was hair business. So she sells it. You already know now. I'm a hair vendor, or I used to sell hair, and this one I will give you the details on it. So you don't have to travel. Sure, you don't have to travel outside to start selling hair. In my own case, I was drop shipping. Back then, I was still in Owerri, I think, but most of my customers were in Lagos. So what I did was to go on social media. I found some sellers, hair sellers online, the people in Lagos, the one I know that have good prices and everything. So I was getting their posts, reposting. When someone orders, I will go to them and buy the hair. I was doing this till I got to Lagos. Lagos, the home for everything. Then I started buying from the importers direct themselves. If you are in Lagos, if you go to Balogun market, like that's the headquarters of hair. I think even trade fair, they also do in trade fair. But back then, I was more familiar with Balogun market. There are so many importers there. You can buy from at good prices. Let me not even lie. A lot of your friends online, they're buying from them. Will come and tell you they came back from Vietnam, this one, that one. Fine. If you get to that point when you can import, fine. But for her, I think she imports because she's an importation expert. But for you, you don't even need a capital to start this one. You don't need capital to start this passive income at all. All you need is to find contacts and then market it. I made a lot of money from this business. Just that I got busy. Investment banking is a very stressful work, but it's something anyone can still make money from. Yes, they say there are so many vendors, but you can decide to just have one niche, one particular hair. Maybe your own can just be frontal hair. Maybe your own can just be coily hair. I don't know. Create a niche for yourself. You can still do it. And like already, I think I have talked about this in the previous side hustle video I mentioned. So make sure you watch that video after this one for more details. Sorry, have you liked the video? Please do. Thank you. So the final side hustle she did to make money was selling home decor. This one, she made 175,000 naira from it. You know, she has some fine home decors. Probably she imports them, I don't know. So she has a page for it, and I think she made some sales from there last month. And she was even saying that she wasn't even taking the business serious. And see, she made like 175,000 naira from it. Now, one person, she sells hair, she sells home decor. See, girls are not smiling. Babes are making money from this thing. And I was really happy that she made that video, sharing the ideas and things she did. And as you can see, some of them, I also made money from them. So now, you know, I think she has a target now to make 10 million naira, and I'm hoping, I'm praying for her, rooting for her, she hits that figure. See, you already know what she does: hair, classes, importation, home decor. Let's patronize her. Let's help her achieve her target. Her name is Joyce Daniel. I'm going to drop her handle somewhere here so that you can, you know, patronize her and let's, you know, hit her up. And there you have it, the 7 passive income ideas, side hustles you can start to make so much money. If someone made over 3 million from this alone, you too can. Please don't hoard knowledge. What other passive income have you ever tried before? Did it work for you? Let us know in the comments. We also want to learn from you. Drop a comment and share with us. And if you want me to make a detailed video on any of these, of course, let me know. I'm happy to do that. But before you leave, make sure you're going to watch that other passive income video I told you about, because I had detailed description on some of these businesses. I'm going to drop it on the description. Go and watch it. I'm going to meet you there. Thank you so much for watching, and I love that you're part of this community. Together, we are securing the bag. See you on the other video.